In this tutorial, we're going to answer this question here using pivot tables. So here we have a table containing employee number, company, department, salary, and how much they cost in expenditures. So what we can do is we can come up here to insert. We're going to do pivot table from table/range, and we can do existing worksheet. And now we can just highlight all of this data here. Now, once we have this highlighted, we can press OK here, and it'll insert our pivot table. Now, what we want is salary by department. So we can check salary and department. And here you can see it's already calculating the sum. Now, we can come to this drop down, do value field setting, and we can do average. We can press OK. And here you can see we're getting the average salary by department. Now, if we would like, we can uncheck salary and go to expenditures. And we can do the same here and change this to average as well. And now that'll return us the average expenditures. So that's a basic introduction to pivot tables, and I hope that helps.